Dabur Shwasamrit is one of the top Ayurvedic medicines for asthma and bronchitis, packed with the goodness of powerful herbal ingredients and medicinal plants which help combat multiple problems related to the respiratory system, is recommended by Ayurveda in India. Its potent formulation eliminates the cause from the grassroots level and helps build immunity against diseases like breathlessness, chronic cough, cold, bronchitis and allergies. Why Dabur Shwasamrit? Increases airflow to lungs. Works as an expectorant to help reduce cough. Strengthens the respiratory system. Reduce breathlessness. Helps treat asthma and bronchitis. Dosage 1 to 2 teaspoonfuls twice daily or as directed by the physician.
Buy online. Link is in description. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.